Before we begin, do not skip any part of this video because each step is crucial. Let's start with step 1. First, you need to download an app, and I have already shown where and how to get it in the video. Now, to make a movie recap video, you need a movie, and while this may seem like the hardest part, it's actually the easiest. Just visit your competitors' channels and check which movies they have recapped that got the most views. Look at their last 10 videos and pick the one with the highest views. That's your perfect movie. Once you've selected the movie, it's time to download it. But wait, we won't be downloading the entire movie, only the thriller and suspense-filled scenes. Now let's move on to how to download the movie. For now, I am going to download a famous movie. I will show you a short clip, and for that, go to googletholly.com and paste the Chinese title in the search bar. You'll see multiple movie clips appearing. Download the one you like the most. Copy the link of the movie clip you want to download. Open the Google 2 website, paste the link in the search bar, and download the video without a watermark. Now, move to the next step. Once the video is downloaded, you need a script. Go to Music and select the language for your script. If you want it in Hindi, select Hindi. If you want it in English, select English. Then click on Transcribe. Within minutes, you'll get the script. Click on the 3 dots, select Export Transcript, and download it as a PDF. Now that you have the script, read it carefully, customize it in your own style, and make a compelling narration. Next comes the voiceover. There are many AI tools for voiceovers, but I know you're looking for a free one. That's why I recommend Weibo. While Weibo is not entirely free, I have mentioned a way to use it in the description. Click on AI Tools, select Text-to-Speech, go to the Male Voice section, and choose the voice you like best. Personally, I prefer Adam's voice. Click Convert Now, paste your script, and ensure the estimated duration doesn't exceed 2 minutes. Click Try, and in just a few minutes, your voiceover will be ready. Export the audio and move on to the next step. Now open CapCut and import the movie clip. Crop it properly so that any Chinese captions are removed. Then, import the voiceover and synchronize it with the video. Keep in mind that no clip should exceed 3 seconds, and avoid using the original movie dialogue or music. When uploading, make sure to include a proper disclaimer in the video description. And that's it! Your movie recap shorts video is ready to be uploaded to your channel. Follow these steps correctly, and soon, you'll have a fully monetized and successful movie recap channel.